Hi beautiful people, welcome back to Yogicas channel. Today we're practicing a Garland Pose, also known as Malasana, a deep grounding squat that opens up our hips and strengthens our lower body. So this is a powerful posture that stretches the hips, improves our digestion, and helps release tension from the lower back. It is amazing for anyone who sits for a long time, for many hours a day, and who simply want to improve their flexibility or also their digestive system as well. So let's move into this pose together. Start standing at the top of your mat with your feet slightly wider than the hips. Turn your toes out gently, allowing your knees to follow the same direction. Take a deep inhale. As you exhale, bend your knees and lower your hips into a deep squat. And bring your hands together at your heart in prayer position. Press your elbows gently into your inner knees to open the hips. And now lengthen the spine, lifting the chest while grounding your feet. And relax your shoulders and breathe deeply into the hips. Feel the hips opening, the spine lengthening, and your breath flowing steadily. So this pose offers many incredible benefits. As I mentioned, we're opening up the hips, and this increases our lower body flexibility. Also on the energetic level, many emotions are trapped in this abdominal hip area, and when we're working with the hips and opening hips, then we are releasing these trapped emotions from the body as well. On the physical level, we are strengthening the legs, ankles and core, and also we're improving our digestive system, and we're gently compressing the abdomen. And if you want to take it a step forward in improving your digestion, then I recommend you do a breath of fire in this practice. But also I recommend you go and check out my Kundalini videos, and there I have many practices for digestive system and why this breath of fire is very good, as it generates heat in your body. And what this heat does, it simply allows all the toxins in your body to be removed. So in Kundalini practices, we're working together with the breath and with asanas. This pose, we're also reducing lower back tension. So a lot of us are again gathered many tensions and energy holding tightly in the lower back. So this is very good for this, releasing that tension, and just breathe deeply into that space. Garland Pose is very good for our spinal alignment, and on the psychic level it just grounds the mind and it makes us feel more stable and centered. So just deep breaths here and enjoy this practice. And now slowly release the pose by lifting your hips and coming back up to standing. This pose is a beautiful way to open the body and ground the mind. Practice it regularly to feel lighter, more flexible and more connected. Thank you for joining me today. Lots of love. Bye.